Duterte, this guy was killed. There is no showing where was he killed. What was the weapon he used? At what time was the crime committed? How was it done? Wala, basta ka na lang. Mura na ila. Sige, ang kanang namatay, basta itong piskal sa ombudsman nga, hasta ang bata na namatay, ang iya ang social cost ana. Ang pamilya mamatyan dahil duha ka buk anak mawad ag nanay. Ang tatay diskaril. So this family becomes dysfunctional. Kung naa siya naigo ng anak nga drogista, it becomes a very serious problem. Mangawat na, magsige pa